Welcome to Softech Coding. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I am continuously going to make videos. Welcome back to those who have already watched past episodes, but if you're just beginning to code or you have some understanding of code but not complete, I would highly recommend going through our videos and finding your level or just starting from the very beginning. And if you could please also share this video with your friends and family, that would be great. Alright, let's get started. So, today we are going to be looking at clones. Now, clones are super cool, and we're going to be looking at some cool things that we can be doing with them. So, clones can be found here in the control section, and there's 3 blocks concerning them. There's when I start as a clone, create clone of myself, and delete this clone. When I start as a clone is a hat block that can only be activated if the object is a clone, and the code for a clone. But something important you should know when you're coding a clone is your code shouldn't technically be under this hat block. Usually it's a better idea to have your code under the actual sprite, and the clone just has a copy of that code. It reduces the bugs in your code. Create clone of myself is how the clones multiply. It's how you can make mouse trails and stuff like that, which we're going to be making one right now actually. And delete this clone is very important so that your projects don't get out of hand. So right now, we're going to be making a mouse trail. So I'm just going to delete this scratch cat, and I'm going to choose a sprite to be the mouse trail. Let's see, how about this crystal as our mouse trail? Alright, so you can change the size, maybe like 150, so that it's a bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to forever go to looks. We're going to change our color effect by maybe 5 so that it changes color all the time. So now our crystal is non-stop changing color. And what we need to do is go to motion. We want it to always go to mouse pointer and point towards mouse pointer. Well, the second one wasn't really necessary. So now we know that this always goes towards our mouse pointer. Alright, now it's time to make the clones. We go to control, we go here, create clone of myself. Now, when I start as a clone, we wait, and then we delete this clone. So it depends on how long you want your trail to be. So for example, if you want your trail to be super long, then you'll make it wait for longer. But if you want your trail to be shorter, like for example 0.5 seconds, this makes your trail shorter because they wait less. Now if you want it to be really short, you can do for example 0.08, which will make your trail really, really short because they don't wait that long before they delete themselves. But if you make it like 0.2, it's much longer. And like if you make it like, I don't know, 4 seconds, then your trail becomes really, really, really long. And it only starts deleting itself after 4 seconds has passed. So that's how you can determine the length of your mouse trail. I'm going to set mine at maybe 0.5 seconds. Nice length, but not too long. Thanks for watching. We have lots of other videos and many more coming. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And please share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you on the next episode.